poor handwriting is a big problem nowadays. About 60 to 70% students, professionals and others are sick of their poor handwriting. About 60 to 70% students lose their valuable marks in board exams and other exams, and professionals also lose their impression due to the poor handwriting. But now Anu English Academy has developed a very unique and effective program to improve your handwriting. Now you can improve your handwriting just in hours. This is very effective program to improve your handwriting. More than 25,000 satisfied students are in India and abroad. So order now and improve your handwriting. Now you will write and others will look.
clickbulb.com. क्लिक किया क्या?